A short video how I turned $100 into $500 in matter of days. Hey gang, this is Mike with Mr. NoFluff.com, and today I'm going to show you exactly in a short video what I did. So what I did is I send out offers to people that want to sell their bikes off of Facebook, Craigslist, OfferUp, etc. And I found a motivated seller that had two bikes, okay? Two beautiful Cannondales that were hardly used. So they wanted like $500, $600 for them. I told them I'll come out there right now and buy this home, buy this house. Sorry guys, I'm a real estate investor. I just teach people how to flip bikes as well. So I keep confusing houses with bikes. So I told them I'll come out there and pick up this bike ASAP, for $100, and I'll pick up both of them for 200. The guy said yes. So I ran out there. I give the guy 200 bucks, picked up two bikes, $100 each. So I bought this bike for 100, and I bought another bike for 100 from this guy. They were brand new. The guy gave me helmets. The guy gave me brand new locks and some other accessories, totally for free with it. Okay. And so what I did is I quickly washed this bike. I put it on Facebook, and I got a hit, guys. I got a hit, and a seller came out and dropped me $500 cash for this bike, guys. Okay, so again, I bought the bike from a motivated seller that didn't have any use for it, didn't know much about bikes, and I quickly turned around and I sold it for $500 each bike. Okay, so for this bike I paid 100, got 500 bucks. The other bike I paid 100. I haven't sold that bike yet, but I'm having a buyer meet me in the next few days, and I'm selling that one for 100 as well. So basically, end of the day, I put 100, made 500, or I put 200, got two bikes, and I'm gonna make $1,000, guys. Okay, simple as that. Now, if you want to know exactly what to say, exactly who your audience is, exactly what kind of bikes to buy, then you click below. There's a video training in that I show you exactly what I do to find these deals, and you can do it in your own backyard as well. It doesn't cost me any money. I didn't have to have any experience. I don't have a website. I don't have any of this stuff, and anyone can do this. Okay, right through your computer, right through your cell phone. So just a quick video on what I call the new flip. The new flip is a revolutionary business in a PDF where you're able to buy bicycles from motivated sellers, bikes that are worth $1,000, bikes that are worth $500 for just $100, and quickly turn around and sell them below fair market value, so you can move very quickly and make 300%, 400%, 700%, depends on the bike, very, very quickly with very little amount of risk. The only money you're going to be risking is just $100, okay? So there's no other business that I know, and I've been an entrepreneur since high school, and I'm 42 right now, that you can start a business with just $100. This is not a multi-level marketing. This is not something where you got to pay someone else. This is none of that crap. This is something you can make money now if you're willing to take action. If you want to learn more, go watch my video. I show you how to do it. I have a whole playlist at my YouTube channel that shows you exactly, the kind of deals that are profitable and how to do this business. Or if you want it on a platter, then consider downloading my course. I put everything on a platter. I give you video training. I give you a course. I give you a manual, just a copy and paste structure. And you do it, deals in your pocket, cash ASAP. Okay? Don't take a no for an answer. And always remember, you're braver than you believe. You're stronger than you seem. You're smarter than you think. And you're twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. My favorite poet, Romy. Don't take no for an answer. Much love. And if you could, click the like button, share this message, leave me a comment because it does help out with the algorithm. Peace.